This is a presentation on how to use Project Control and Microsoft's project management software to estimate the duration of a project. Project control methods are used to assess the process and progress of a project being implemented. By monitoring the project, a manager can assess whether or not the implementation is on track and running on schedule. Additionally, project control can help to identify risks throughout the course of a project, and if risks are identified, they can be quickly corrected. Today, we will simulate project control using project management. The name of the project we are implementing is called Capital Project, and it is scheduled to begin on January 1st. Listed in this chart is each task required for the completion of the project and the subtasks within each task. The column on the right indicates which tasks must be completed prior to the beginning of the new task. In the case of space programming, task 6, the predecessor column reads 5FF, which means that the task will finish with master facility planning. Once the tasks, subtasks, start date, and predecessors are filled in to project management, we will begin the PERT analysis. As you can see from each task and subtask, a pessimistic, expected, and optimistic estimate for the duration is filled in. Once the PERT data is entered, Microsoft Project's PERT analysis function can be used to calculate PERT values. Once the values were rounded to the nearest whole day, the planned duration for the project was calculated to be 862 days, as seen in the green circle. After this baseline is saved, we enter actual duration by looking at the tracking view of PERT. The checks next to the task name indicate the activities that are already completed. On the Gantt chart to the right, the blue lines show the actual duration of the activities. The gray lines show the expected duration of the activities, and the red lines show the critical path. In the graph, the blue line is shorter than the gray line, and therefore we are finishing the tasks earlier than expected. Based on the performance thus far, the project duration has decreased and is now 784 days. For the tasks already completed, the strategic plan phase and master facility plan have been completed ahead of schedule. This can be seen in the zoomed-in portion of the Gantt chart, as the blue line showing the actual duration is shorter than the predicted duration of the gray line. Team formation is taking longer than expected because the gray line is shorter than the blue line. Using the performance of the project thus far, the anticipated delay can be calculated by subtracting the value of the PERT length of the project from the length of the project calculated based on current performance. In our example, the anticipated delay of the project is negative 78 days because the estimated project duration based on performance is far less than the PERT estimation. Therefore, there will be no delay, and instead the project can be anticipated to be completed 78 days early. Overall, project management is designed to help managers assess the progress of the project and ensure that the project is on track. Using Microsoft's Project Manager, a manager can assess the initial estimates of project duration and costs. If the initial estimate for duration of costs seems to be off when the project begins, the project manager will highlight the areas that may need adjustment. Once these problems are made clear, adjustments can be made so the project can be completed in a cost and time-efficient manner. Thank you.